Hello students, my name is Surekha Surve. I am the teacher of Standard 1. I am going to teach you subject maths. I hope you all are fine with your parents in the COVID-19 and for your further learning process during this period of lockdown, we have arranged you the online classes with the pre-recorded videos for you. Okay children, now let's begin with the subject maths with the topic that is small and big. Okay, now small and big means the object which is small in size. Okay, whichever object you just see the size of the object, and looking at the object size, it is clear that that object is small or big. So here you just have to compare between the two objects. Now looking to the explanation part, I have drawn the objects on the blackboard for you. Now these are the trees. These are the tree children. Okay. This is the small tree and this is the big tree. Huh? Looking to going towards the kite. This is the big kite and this is the small kite. Going towards the mangoes. This is the small mango and this is the big mango. These are the ducks. These are the ducks. This is the big duck and this is the small duck. Now children, for your understanding, now I will write the words small and big below the pictures also. So you will understand it better. Okay. Now these are trees. Okay. So children, now I have told you before only in these trees which is small and which is big. Okay. Now I will write here the small and big below these pictures. Now this tree is what? Small. And this tree is big. These are kites. Small kite. No, sorry. Yes, I know. This is the big kite. And this is the small kite. Okay. Now mangoes. This is the small mango. And this is the big mango. Ducks. Two ducks. First duck is big. And the second duck is small. Okay. Now children, let's go again towards these pictures and we will again say which is small. Small tree, big tree. Big kite, small kite. Okay. Small mango, big mango. Big duck and small duck. Okay. So now children, I hope you have got little bit idea of the concept of small and big. Now it will be more clear for you when I will show you some objects for you. Okay. Which you are very much familiar at your home. Okay. Now objects. Now here there are some objects I have kept for you. One by one I will be telling you which object is small and which object is big. Okay. Now these are balls. These are balls. This is the colorful ball and this is the greenish yellow ball. Now children, look at this ball. Yes. You see the size of this ball is big. Yes. And the size of this ball is small. So we can tell that this ball is big and this ball is small. Okay. Now further we will go. These are two bulbs. These are two bulbs. White bulb and orange color bulb. Now see what is the difference between these two bulbs. Yeah. See this portion of the bulb. This size of the bulb is big and this size of the bulb is small. So we can say that this white bulb is big in size and this small orange color bulb is small in size. So we can say that this is big bulb and this is small bulb. Fine. Now here there are two bottles. Here there are two bottles, okay, and these bottles I have arranged for you like this, okay. Now we see at these bottles, okay, this bottle and this bottle. Which bottle you see which is big one? Yes, green lid bottle or blue lid bottle? Yes, green lid bottle is big bottle and blue lid bottle is small bottle. So we can say that this bottle is big bottle and this bottle is small bottle. Fine children. Now I will explain you with the help of the notebooks which you are keeping in your school bag. Okay. Now here are two notebooks children. This is the long book and this is the short book. What is the difference children here? The size of this book. You can see the size. The size of the book tells you that this is the big notebook and this size of the book indicates that this is the small book. Fine. Now here two scales are there. Okay children, two scales. See, I am arranging for you in level. Now this is the big scale, long in size. Yes, so we can say that this scale is big scale and this scale is small in size. See, just see the scale. Yes, it is shorter than this scale. Yes, so we can say that this scale is small in size and this scale is big scale. Fine. 9. Now there is one more example. These are the wristwatches. Now look at the wristwatch. Yes, this wristwatch is big and this wristwatch is small. Okay. Now next, going towards the mobile phones which you are very much familiar at home. Now you must be having your parents' mobile phone, okay, and you must be operating it for playing the video games and see the other videos also, okay. Now I have arranged this big mobile phone and this small mobile phone, okay. Now there is some difference between this mobile phone and this mobile phone. What difference? The screen of this mobile phone is big and the screen of this mobile phone is small. Okay. So we can say that this black color mobile phone is big in size and the brown color mobile phone is small in size. So okay. This is the big mobile and this is the small mobile. Fine children. Okay, now I have kept here two pencils for you. Two pencils for you. Okay. Now children, looking at these pencils, you can tell which pencil is big and which pencil is small. Yeah? Yes, this first pencil is the small pencil and the second pencil is the big pencil. Okay. Now there are other examples also, other objects also at your home, in the kitchen where your mother is working, and you can just go there and just observe all the utensils, all the objects, things, whichever are there, and just see the differences between them and just see the concept of small and big, and you try to compare between them and you will come to know which object is small and big. Okay. Now I have arranged some more pictures for you by drawing it in the notebook for you. So here we will compare the pictures. Okay. How to compare small, big things or objects. Things and objects are same. Okay. You are in first standard, so things is the best word for you, for your understanding. So I wrote things here. Objects means the objects which are live at your home. Okay. Now here two umbrellas are there. Okay, colorful umbrellas. The first umbrella, just see the first umbrella children. Yes, this is small umbrella and this umbrella is big umbrella. So here we are comparing between these two umbrellas. So we come to know that this is the small and this is the big. Okay. Next picture is of balloons. Yellow color balloon and blue color balloon. See the yellow color balloon, children. It is big in size. Big balloon, no? And this blue color balloon is small. Okay. So we can say that this yellow color balloon is big. Blue color balloon is small. Fine. Now next, these are clouds. What are these? Clouds. So big cloud and small cloud. See the size of the cloud. Shape of the cloud is big or no? This shape of the cloud is small. So this is the big cloud and this is the small cloud. Okay. Now next. Yes. You see stars in the sky at night. Yes or no, children? Are you observing at night in the sky? Yes. So these are the stars. This is the small star and this is the big star. Fine. Now these are the chocolates, which are your favorite one. Big chocolate, small chocolate. Next. Now here are two flowers, pink color flowers. This is the small flower and the big flower. Here you see the petals of these flowers. Yes, small petals are there. Yes. So we can say that this is the small flower. And the flower petals here are big. Okay, big petals are there. So this is the big flower. I hope you have understood by explaining it in your notebook also. Okay, now once again I will explain you the concept of small and big by recapitalizing on the blackboard once again. Okay, see children, plants, trees are there. Small, big. Okay, big kite, small kite. Small mango, big mango. Big duck, small duck. Okay, now one by one I will show you the objects also, which I have shown you as examples for you. See the water bottles here, children. Okay, big water bottle, small water bottle. Big notebook, small notebook. Big scale, small scale. Big wristwatch, small wristwatch. Big mobile phone, small mobile phone. Big pencil, small pencil. Big bulb, small bulb. And here the last one, this is the big ball and the small ball. Okay, now let's go again towards the notebook, which I have shown you the examples of umbrellas, small, big, the balloons, big balloon, small balloon, clouds, big cloud, small cloud, stars, small star, big star, eclair chocolates, big chocolate, small chocolate, flowers, small flowers, big flower. Okay, now children, I have just done the explanation part here. Now when you go to the Maths Balbharti textbook, page number 1 of the textbook, okay, the topic small and big. Now here they have shown the examples for you by giving the pictures, and here they have asked to do something for you. So by asking the question here. Now first example is of clocks. Now here two clocks are there, children. Two clocks are there. Okay. This is the small clock and this is the big clock. But the question is asked here. Color the box below the smaller clock. Color the box below the smaller clock. Now, when the question is asked, you have to read the question very quietly, that you must understand it properly, and then just go to the pictures and just observe which is the smaller clock here. Now, what they have asked here, you have to color the smaller clock. Now, which is the smaller clock? Round one or square one? round clock is the smaller clock. So below the smaller clock there is the box. You have to color. You have to color with the crayon, whichever you are having, crayon pencil or crayon colors. Okay. Now next example. Now your vehicles are given. School bus and car. Okay. Now this the difference between these two vehicles is what? The bus is the big vehicle and the car is the smaller vehicle. Okay. Now what the question is asked here? Color the box below the bigger vehicle. Now which is the bigger vehicle here? School bus or car? School bus. So below the school bus you have to color the box. Fine children. Now the third example here given is of the vessel. Vessel, you know, pot. Yes, water pot which you have at home. Now your brown color pot is given and your grey pot is given. Okay, brown color pot is big and the grey color pot is small. Question is asked, color the box below the smaller vessel. Vessel means what? Whatever a vessel mother is using to keep the water, that is pot, that is the vessel. Okay. Now what is asked? The color the box smaller vehicle, below the smaller vehicle, vessel. Which is the smaller vessel here? Yes, this one. So you have to color the box below it. Okay. The next example is of balls. This is the small ball and this is the big ball. Which ball this is? Football. Okay. And this is the tennis ball. Color the box below the bigger ball. Now which ball is big children here? Tennis ball or football? Yes, football. So what they have asked here? You have to color the box below the bigger ball. Bigger ball is the football. Okay. Bigger ball is the football. So you have to color the box below the football. Okay. Followed all of you? So when you get your textbook, okay, so just go through the page number 1 of Maths Balbharti textbook. Okay. So it will be more clear for you the concept of small and big, and I will be giving you further notes of small and big to write it in your notebook, so it will be more clear for you for your understanding. Okay. And I will be presenting the next topic with you. Okay. It's fine. Thank you. God bless you children.